What's up? Welcome to Mentally Financial. I'm your boy Gary B. On this episode, we're going to talk about reality Christmas versus stressful Christmas. Hey, it's that time of the year, y'all. So get you something to drink, get you something to snack on. I'll be right back in a minute. We're going to jump into this week's episode. Peace. Welcome back, fam. Welcome back. All right. Like I said, we're going to talk about something that's real because we're in that time of the year, December, Christmas. And that can really, really, really be stressful. So we're going to talk about what a reality Christmas is versus a stressful Christmas. I shouldn't even have to go into details about what a stressful Christmas is, but we're going to talk about that real quick first. A stressful Christmas, I think, in my mind, is when we overextend ourselves and we try to do things for people and ourselves that we really know financially we can't do because we have other things that are priority, but we want to be that good guy or that good girl and we want to help people. We want to get presents for everybody, for our nephews, our nieces, our parents, our uncles, our aunties, and things like that. And in reality, we can't do that. You know what I'm saying? We want to be looking like a good guy, but we know we can't right now because things are really tight. And this is the time of year when they really, really get tight. I'm trying to get y'all from being that, how should I say, that income tax person. You got so many people that say, hey, I'm gonna blow it out of the water because I know when income tax season get here in January and February, I'm gonna get my money back. I'm trying to get you out of that mindset. I'm trying to get you into a more relaxed environment. That's why we're stressed out so much. We're trying to do too much. We're trying to give too much. And we got to think about ourselves first. Okay, y'all? Start thinking about yourself. Start thinking about the things you know you can do and you can handle. And then, hey, everything else will fall in place. So stop stressing yourselves out trying to do things for other people. Or, like I say, even yourself sometimes. If you can't get yourself something nice and fresh and new because finances are kind of tight, don't worry about it. Don't stress over it. Let it go. You know what I'm saying? Your life, your health, and things like that are much more important. You can always get that materialistic thing when things get better. Okay? And don't let other people stress you out because you can't do something for them. Okay, remember, this is a gimme, gimme, gimme world. They looking out for themselves more than they looking out for you. So don't let stuff like that hold you back or stress you out. All right. That's what a stressful Christmas is all about. It's that point in your mind when you think you have to please everybody else. Stop pleasing everybody else. Sit back, thank God for what you have, and think about yourself. That's a stressful Christmas. What's up, everybody? This is your boy Gary B. Come check me out on Mentally Financial at 12 o'clock every Sunday on your favorite podcast network. Now, let's talk about a reality Christmas or something that is really, really, laid back and chill. And that is when you are saying to yourself, I can do this, I can do that. I know things are perfect because your finances been good all year. It's time to, give yourself a prize. It's time to do something good for yourself and let's do it. Now, that's reality. And what I mean by reality, when you can look at your bank account, you can look at all your bills. You can look at your credit score. You can look at your credit profile, and you see that things are on the up and up. Things are getting better. You done made money at work. You done saved money. You done built your budget. You got it right. Now, if you want to go out and do something for somebody, go out and do it. That's what it's about. Because you took the time to get yourself right, get your mind right, and now, boom, it's time to do what you want to do with what you got. Okay. That's reality. That is a real, realistic Christmas plan. So, all of you who are in that situation, you had a good year, you got your money right, you got a lot of that stress off you from listening to my prior shows. And if you haven't listened to my prior shows, go back and check them out. They're on all your favorite podcast networks, okay? But if you're still kind of stressing and you need some help, Like I said, check me out. Google Gary B. Roane Jr. Visit my website, gbroanejrfinancial.com. Give me a call, 706-222-1987. We can work on it. We can get your finances straight. We can get you straight. So, with all that being said, I didn't want this to be a long show because this is the holiday season. I didn't want to take y'all away from your families, friends, neighbors, or whatever. So, I just wanted to throw something in there about a stressful Christmas versus a reality Christmas, okay? So, I hope y'all understood what I said. Remember, a reality Christmas is when things are good to go. You're not stressed. Finances are good. A stressful Christmas is when things are not good and you're trying to impress other people to make them happy. But no, worry about yourself first, all right? Like I said, this your boy Gary B. I want to say thank you for a great year. Thank you for coming to check out my show. I do have some more episodes coming before the year is out because we got, New Year's coming up. So no, I'm still going to be bringing you some shows. I just wanted to get this Christmas one out of the way before December hit us because, hey, you got to be ready, all right? Because Christmas is a big time of the year. So I hope you listen to this podcast. I hope you take it to heart. Hey, I'm just being real with you. Like I said, I'm your boy Gary B. I do the research. You just gotta follow. I'll see you in the next episode, fam. Make sure you share, comment, and like, and follow me on all your favorite podcast networks like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts, and more. You can find me everywhere. Until the next one. Peace.